So good morning, welcome to our first day on the cruise. It's 6 a.m, that's why I'm whispering. I'm on my way up to find pre-breakfast. Got a little bit of help. This is my drinks carrier, which we don't go anywhere without on a cruise. I'm gonna go find some pre-breakfast and some coffee for the room. Hello. Apparently, it's really rocky. I mean, you can hear the ship creaking. I don't know if you can hear it. The ship is creaking. And here we are at the Garden Cafe. It's 6 a.m. Let's see what it's like at this time of the morning. Okay, so the Garden Cafe is not open at 6 a.m. Good to know, at least not today. Should have checked my app. Let's go to the observation lounge, one deck below. Now this has got to be open. Oh yes, thank goodness. And people are having coffee. What I was hoping for was takeaway cups, paper cups. There only seems to be these. Just heading to the front of the observation lounge to see if there's any paper cups for coffee. Well, there's not many people here, as you can see. Heard a few people complaining about seasickness. It's really not that bad. As you can see, it's not that bad. 6:30 a.m. No takeaway coffee cups, but I think I found some pre-breakfast. Right, we got one more shot down here, and I'll ask a crew member as well if there's any paper cups. Okay, so I've spoken to them, and I have to admit defeat. No paper cups on board. So you can stack them. The only problem is they're really hot in the hands. So I'm going to put the camera down and go back to the cabin with a cup in each hand.
Well, Tony made it back to the cabin with very small coffees, and our sea day could officially begin.
Okay, so Beth and I drank that thimble of coffee in about 2 seconds. So I was tasked with digging out these. These are the cups we bought at the very first Starbucks in Seattle. But I'm going to go get some coffee, a proper amount.
If you like content of people searching for coffee on a cruise ship on a sea day, then clearly Travelling with Teens is the place for you. So make sure you like and subscribe. Incidentally, we did buy our mugs at the original Starbucks store in Seattle, and those vlogs will be coming soon. Oh, and this is our very nifty drinks holder.
Pre-breakfast achieved. It's actually not too cold out here on the balcony. That beautiful sunrise. Well, it's trying to be a sunrise anyway. Even though people are complaining of seasickness. I think maybe it's their first time.
Speaking of first times, it was our first time at the buffet. Well, not the buffet, we'd had lunch the day before, but at breakfast at the buffet. And it wasn't our first breakfast. Obviously, we've had breakfast before too.
So we've just had breakfast. It's getting a little bit choppier. We think we're going to go buy an NCL Bliss mug at Starbucks and maybe have Starbucks coffee. There's a quiz at 9:30 and a lecture about Alaska around midday. Sounds like a plan.
All the information about the activities on board can be found in the Norwegian Cruise Line app and also in the Freestyle Daily, which is left in your room the night before. First up, morning trivia.
What do you call a pudding made with ice cream on sponge covered by meringue?
Oh, bless him. No one had the heart to tell him. Sadly, we didn't win the quiz this time, so we stayed put and decided to watch the food demonstration where the chefs from the Food Republic came out and taught us all how to make sushi. Sadly, there were no free samples at the cooking demonstration, which was one of the reasons we'd hung around to watch it. So we went into Starbucks and decided to buy some more Starbucks merch, because obviously we hadn't bought enough in Seattle at the original store. So we got one of the Norwegian Cruise Line Starbucks Been There mugs. Let us know if you collect them.
So, but it's really up to you. So if you want to make a mixture of the spicy mayo, you can mix the sriracha.
Alaska.
You
Alaska's
have
on it.
spicy mayo. But if you don't have the sriracha, you can use Tabasco if you want. Or you can use this little guy. So this one is the seasoning pepper.
So I did think the bingo would be a lot busier, but I suppose it's maybe just because there's so many seats in this theatre. Anyway, less people means more of a chance to win. Let's see how we do. I think somebody's ready to win. We did win once before on Princess. We won $200 with Fortuna Luck, if you know who she is. Drop her a shout out in the comments below.
Who's ready to win some money? There we go. Are we ready to roll it? Here we go. Rolling it to G48. G48. Right in the middle. We're already dancing a little bit. My goodness, don't dance yet. You think you're a winner?
Imagine if he's not.
I know I am.
You got the confidence, Tony. That's what we need. All right. Let's see if we have it. In the corner, we got a bingo winner. Nobody wants to clap for Tony. It's all right. No echoes. Remember, no echoes. Ready to close it out. 1, 2, 3. No more bingo for them. Celebratory dance, okay? Now, who's sitting with you here?
It's my sons.
Your
My
sons.
wife.
How old are your sons?
16 and 14.
16 and 14, so they are probably dying of embarrassment right now. Yeah, that's why you have to record it, so then they have to see this again. All right, here we go. For the money, Tony, you gotta shake it. Wow. There we go, Tony. Look at the stars, they can't even look at you. Wow. We're gonna close
So we'll find out how much we won,
and we'll continue for the
how much I won
highest payout of this
during this
morning.
game.
Who wants
But really,
free bingo?
I've already won.
Yeah.
Has in his pocket $450. But if you dance like that again, I will take that money. Yeah. 3 and 1.
$150. Going to collect my winnings. Trying to find out where to go to cash this in. Okay, in case any of you are as lucky as me, you go to the cashier. Oh, that was easy.
Make your own noodles.
Oh, nice.
Really nice. When I saw that,
General Tso's chicken. I haven't had that in years.
chocolate rumbles.
Oh, chocolate what?
Rumbles.
So I went for the coconut cream pie. And the rum balls. I didn't know what you meant. I thought you said like rumbles. Off to Deal or No Deal. Let's see if we can make it 2 for 2. You have to sit so you can see the screen apparently. Because originally we were to the right. We were over there somewhere. We had to move. So we went for the $49 2 cards. With 4 chances to win. Yeah.
But we can still win if we put the thing on the...
Yeah.
At this point in the afternoon, the Bliss was the best ship we'd ever been on, and clearly we were going to win again because we were just on a lucky streak.
I knew it would be Dan Dan. Where's he at? There he is.
Welcome to Deal or No Deal. Who's ready to win some money?
Me!
Bet some luck so you get some good luck going. I want to see those cards high above your head. Shake the bad luck off. Just get some good luck going. Get some good luck going. Now, here's what we're going to do. Select first, out of those 20 cases, is your lucky briefcases. We go number 18. That brings you 100.
100? No, we had 5.
150.
Not doing so well this time.
One more case to end this round. Dana, select.
Well done, Dana. I still won more than you. The weather's improving. What are you looking for?
Anything.
Anything. You thought you saw something yesterday.
I did, definitely saw something yesterday. Yeah, it's okay.
You could have the pool to yourself as well. And the slides. Both of them. It's only about 45 degrees. cold to play in the water, so we're off to the observation lounge for a snack and a drink. This is full. Oh. Yeah. There's absolutely nowhere to sit.
Due to the weather, the observation lounge was always very crowded and we struggled to find anywhere to sit. So we went back to the cabin and did some laundry. Staying in a club balcony suite, you get 1 bag of complimentary laundry during your cruise, which we really used to its fullest extent. There was a sign on the bed reminding us that we were going back an hour in the night because Alaska's on a different time zone, and also custom forms to complete before we arrived in Canada later on in the week, which Tony decided to fill in French.
So I've come up to the observation lounge. It's about 20 to 6. It's much quieter here. A nice place to sit and have a drink while you're getting ready for dinner. Or we're going to see a show and then dinner. But much better here. You see everyone's gone. Or going. But it's still light, so you can still see stuff. Nice. However, all the food seems to be gone by this time.
I literally have no comment on this. I was getting ready in the room when he did this. So this first sea day, we decided to go to the social, where there was a stand-up comic on before our dinner time. And this was a family show, so we were able to go and take the boys.
Hi, thank you.
Hello.
Where should we go?
Should we sit?
Should we sit over here? We're over there. So we're in the comic club, and Beth knows the phrase, but I don't think she... Do you recognize who that is, Beth? Do you know what phrase that's attached to?
What am I looking at?
That-
Ha 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 ha
Him.
ha ha.
No, up there.
For a little man,
Yeah.
I once caught a fish this big.
No, that's living in a van down by the river.
Well, how was I meant to know him?
I don't know.
Oh look, they've got Rowan Atkinson though.
Oh, that's for the Brits.
That's for the Brits. And then that's it. On Charlie Chaplin.
Lucille Ball. How was it?
It's nice.
Good. This night, the comedian at the social was Jason Russell, an excellent comedian with absolutely impeccable taste in clothes. That was not planned. We just met at the buffet.
Hello, people! It is the family show. That means there's kids in the audience, people, so behave yourself, Ed! This is the Haven group. Give them a nice round of applause. They're in the Haven. You guys instantly like, oh, you.
Ooh, we won some more. That was really good, though. That was really funny. Can we go straight up there? Okay. Back to the cashier again.
Who says that then?
It is taste. Let's just ask if we can get an early.
We found the food in the main dining room okay, nothing fantastic and wow, but it was perfectly edible most evenings. It did get a little worse as the cruise went on, but to be honest, the first few evenings we felt the food was fine and the service was good, so no complaints at all.
But the cruise gets so much more exciting from here. The next day we dock in Alaska, and you'll see us in Sitka in 1 week's time back here on Traveling with Teens. Thanks for joining us.